pupunta muna kami ng Hawaiian doon sa gate and then magpo-photos kami. Grabe, ang bilis ng araw. Third day na agad namin. Ayoko pa bumalik. Charis! So, yan lang. See you later! Morning, baby! Good morning! Look, guys, who's our driver for today?
You're very, not herself driver.
And look at the dress. Wow. Very pretty driver. I thought you're gonna video.
Yeah, I forgot. Can you,
ang nakatugod si Yulo. Nanalo ulit siya ng gold.
Dalawa.
Yaman.
ano ba yan, kanta?
Magkaibang matawag doon?
Dalawang ano siya, nanalo.
Dalawang event.
Ang galing. Ang yaman.
Good morning, day 3 City Hall! So, it's Monday. May pasok ang mga kiddos. Yes, I have. So, ayan, we're here na at Kawayan Holiday Resort. So, as visitors only, so you need to pay 100 pesos. Wait, I'm gonna get my bag. Chuchay! Sino si Chuchay? Are you Chuchay?
Chuchay, Choco.
Sino si Choco? Who's Choco? I think it's because it's Sunday. So, pangalawa kami. Can you say it in French?
Hola. Hola.
French.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hindi ko na alam eh.
Bonjour.
I forgot. Bonjour. Do you want a croissant?
Do you want croissant? It's in here.
Ça va?
Saba saba.
Comment tu t'appelles? What's your name?
Je m'appelle Jamen Zimaranan.
I like the look at the pool.
29 años. Ay, naging Spanish. Pwede bang magstay dito? Hi guys, so I'm the kabado one.
Yeah.
Because it's so dark. Like
My
that.
photographer was like shaking.
Yeah, I'm shaking.
Shaking.
Good thing the iPhone 14 has like stabilization. Polypaid. I like your Filipino accent. Say it again.
Polypaid. Dangerous woman.
Dangerous.
Hi! Ba't kayo tumano na? Sige, go. Diretso nyo na. Sige
Ano
na
yung sinabi mo kanina?
Gorgeous? Hindi.
Ano?
Gorgeous? Hindi. Iba.
Hindi.
Because every day I have new words.
Like, she's a real Filipino now.
Who is has
Yeah, she's a real Filipino.
real or fake. Like that.
So guys, tapos na kami sa Kawayan. Next na kami sa Lagaan Falls.
Sorry!
Yorn.
Doon ata yung sa
And
isa,
rough
no?
road dito guys.
Yung nababaan ko.
Sorry! Kitang-kita.
No. They will move. I don't know. Hello. What's the name?
Lucky.
Lucky.
Come here, Lucky.
Lucky. Hindi, ano lang.
Sabi niya, you smell bad.
It smells bad. Hi.
Oh, so cute.
Yeah, I love it too. Lucky. Ay, gampang. Hello. What's your name?
He's super friendly here. So he loves the attention.
Bear.
Bear? Bear, like polar bear.
Oh, you're Bear. Hi, Bear. Hi, Bear. What's your name, sir?
Huh?
What's your name?
His name is Bear.
No, your name.
Oh, my name's sorry, Terry. Terry.
Terry. Nice meeting
Terry,
you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Hi, Bear. How are you?
You're so cute. Oh, you love attention?
Are you like me?
Who loves attention?
Sabi na, ay,
You're attention seeker.
ay, ang cute ng tail niya.
Oo nga. Baby.
Nandito kami sa Firefly Treehouse.
Gusto ko pang fresh na fresh. Very pure. Iba kasi Loklok ng patay. Buti dito may signal.
Check patanggal ng oiliness. Oiliness remover.
So yummy.
love it. Pizza roll.
Mate! Mate! Mate, mate!
Is this one yung
Lucky!
yung well done?
Lucky!
Or wala pa yung well done?
Lucky!
Go, kumain ka lang.
Oh, it's getting
Ulit. Char.
Ano? Pizza roll.
I like it. Hindi siya manghang. Busog na ako. Dito lang kaya kumain ng... Baby, I'm so sorry.
Kasi pwede to yung baby.
Kasi wala sa ano eh, rolling.
Turon hanggang Sikiho. Narinig sa video.
Oh my god, that's unlady.
Unlady.
Unladylike.
Maliit na babae.
It's a normal thing. Ganda-ganda.
Yes.
Mga ginagawa niya.
Hindi na mainit. Kaya ng kagatin.
Ang sarap yung chocolate. Parang Hershey's ata yun.
Na lang naman yung wrapper.
Si Lucky. Binigyan mo na siya kanina.
Hindi pa.
Ate! Si Matt. Ay, nasa bahay ba?
Bear! 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 Bear, can I sit here? Oh. You want video, Mate? Mate! Mate! May necklace.
Necklace!
Bear! 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 Bear!
Picture lang kayo.
Have a guide, you can just go down and take a swim yourself. But yeah, if you wanted to use the bamboo raft, it's a bit different. It's cool for some pictures.
How far is that one?
That's not far at all. So just round. So when you get to our first sign, just here that you can see, it's to the right, and then you'll see the desk there.
earlier.
Yes.
So,
Yun yung kanina.
yeah, that's
Oo.
So, doon
Yung may
tayo.
arco. There's an arc. Saying Kambugsayan.
yeah, Cabot Siam.
Kambog Sayan.
Ang cute. He has a necklace. Mate! Mate, mate! Chotto mate kudasai.
What? What does it mean?
Wait for a minute. You're so pogi.
Natawa ako sa mga nagko-comment dun. May,
So pogi.
sabi niya, ang bata pa ni...
Oh, that's what you want.
Now they play. Playtime.
Sit, mate. Sit. Good boy. You're our oldest. Hey. 12. Yeah. 8. Yeah. You're on your way. Yeah.
Dogos. Committee dito. Hello. Kamukha ni ano. Wow. Wow. Ha?
Sakay kayo ng ano, bamboo wrap, ma'am. Bamboo wrap. Papuntang...
Wow, very nice.
Thank you po. Bye-bye, Chuchu. Kabugsayan. Going down to Kabugsayan. Laban. Ang galing ng mga aso.
Nag-hike din sila.
Oo.
Blay, kinuha ka namin ng vest.
Oo, talagang magraraft.
Nice.
We go there.
Parang bigat ko pala.
Oh shit, bakit sa side namin palubog?
Parang bigat namin. Lubog ata talaga. Pinaka-pants ako. Hi, picture pala to. Hello, say hi.
Hi!
Bossy.
Bossing. Oh my god, this is...
Okay, hindi na tanong ko. Ayun ako magtanong.
Oo nga, ang ganda. Parang ang healthy niya.
Ma'am. Go. Talon. Go. Go. Go.
So, tapos na kami dito sa Kambugsayan. Yan, kasama namin si Ate Nining. And si Kuya Brian. Going back, going back.
Oh my goodness.
So then,
Don't expect too much.
don't
Don't tell me what to do.
tell me what to do. Accent, say it again.
Shot. Infection.
Infection. Dangerous.
Dangerous. Because